Still emailing documents to your customers one by one? Attaching the right PDF, typing every name, double-checking each address. It can eat your whole afternoon. Meet PDF Mail Sender. A tiny Windows app that does all of it in a single click. Just drop your customer list and your PDF files into one folder. It reads your Excel or CSV automatically, and matches each PDF to the right customer by their number. Open the app, and it instantly shows how many emails are ready to go. Click Run, and every customer gets their own email, with the correct PDF attached and a personalized greeting added automatically. Worried about mistakes? Draft Preview Mode lets you review every message before it is sent. Missing a PDF or an address? It skips safely, and records everything to a history file you can open in Excel. No installation. No black command window. Just one lightweight file, under 60 kilobytes, that works with Outlook and any MAPI mail client. PDF Mail Sender. Convenience, made simple. By Rin Bei.